In Contribute, a shared asset is an image, a flash file, or a library item that's stored on your web server that Contribute users with proper editing privileges can insert into web pages. In the previous movie, I showed you how you can add any image from your computer or the existing website to a web page that you're working on. But that sometimes requires hunting through several different folders in the website to find the image you want to use. By using the Shared Assets feature of Contribute, the site designer can place all the important images, flash files, and library items into a single shared location on the server where all the Contribute users can easily find the files they need. This also lets the site designer ensure that everyone is using the most current versions of the images. For example, if on this tCloud site the site administrator changed the appearance and location of the company logo, but neglected to tell me about it, I'd probably end up navigating through the site and finding the old company logo and placing that on the page. But if I was instructed to always use the images and shared assets, and the site administrator made sure that the shared assets were always kept up to date, I would only ever need to go to one location to find all the files I needed, and I could be certain that I was using the most up-to-date version of those files. And inserting an image from a shared location isn't all that different than inserting one from your own computer or from the existing website. It starts off the same, just place the cursor where you want the image to go, and on this page I happen to be missing the tCloud logo again, so I'll click up there. And in here I'll go to Insert Shared Asset. That takes me to the shared assets for this site. So here we can see the 4 shared images for the tCloud site. And I didn't have to browse through a whole bunch of folders to get here. All of these files are actually stored in various locations all through my website. But because we're using shared assets, they're all listed here in one convenient location. All I need to do is find the one that I need, which is the tCloud logo. Click on OK. There's the image. And I could continue working on the page or publish it if I'm done with it. Now, in the chapter on administering your site, you'll see where to add shared images if you're the site's administrator. But we have lots of other movies to get through before then, starting with the next one, in which we'll begin learning how to edit images in Contribute.